I wanted to install a switch for my flasher because the old one stopped working. So if you also want to install a switch like this, then watch this video till the end. First of all, I removed the bolt using 8mm socket. I am here using the same plate I have used for the horns. I then used the exact size of drill as per the bolt and then used that to drill a hole. Smoothen the edges using the file, then cut the remaining part using the hacksaw blade. The hole for the push switch was already there, so I did not have to drill a new one for that. I then used the drill machine to smoothen out the edges. I also used the file to give the corners a round shape. Now this plate is almost ready. Now I have to bend it as per the requirement. I then use the 400 grit sandpaper to rub the plate so that it can be painted. I had to bend the plate using the hammer because it was too thick to bend using the plier. But the result, however, was not as expected. So I used a different method and bolted my plate on the carrier so I can tap it and give it a sharp bend. Using this method, it gave me a very sharp bend as expected. And then I used the black spray paint to paint it from all directions. Now this plate is ready to fit. This is the push switch that goes in. That looks pretty good to me. I thought of using the 2mm spade connector, but it didn't fit on the pins. I removed the old switch using the screwdriver and then cut the wire so that it can be soldered on the switch. This is the transparent heat shrink tube. Covered the wire using the heat shrink tube and then applied the heat. Installed it back on, and my job is almost completed. So here it how it looks. Let's test it. It's working. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. See you next time.